Group account admins have the ability to make updates to most aspects of their account in the Group Admin portal, and you can also make the same types of changes and more here in the Admin portal. Group admins have the ability to update their own email address, password, and phone number, but are unable to update the account address or contact details for the account as a whole. They can also update the payment method on the account, but not the account invoice delivery method. Users with applicable permission settings can change all of these areas within a group account. To start the process, first navigate to the Groups and Tenants menu, and then click on the Accounts submenu. Select the account you wish to work with from the drop-down menu, and then click on the Edit button. All fields can be updated except the ID field, which is the account number. Please note that the email address field on this screen is where invoicing emails are delivered. This may or may not be the same as the group account administrator email address. If you want to change the account payment method, you can select your new payment method from the account type drop-down list. If a credit card or ACH is selected where available, account information can be entered on the location information screen. If you wish to change the invoice delivery method, select the preferred delivery method from the Invoice Method drop-down menu. There are 4 options, the first of which is None, which means that the account will obtain invoices from the Group Admin portal. Next is Paper if you want to print the invoice. Attachment means that the invoice will be attached to an email. And lastly, Notification, which notifies the account that the invoice is available for download. Once you've made changes, click Save, and your changes will be updated. You can now view these changes that we've just made to the account.